beauties! Today I want to be talking about the fact that the mind always searches for proof. And it doesn't matter on what belief you have inside of you, your mind will start searching for proof. So if you're experiencing a difficult time right now, or you have a feeling that you have a lack of freedom, or a lack of money, you're feeling maybe that you're not good enough, or you have the feeling something's wrong with you because you've been single for a while. Any belief that you have, your mind starts to find proof of. So what would happen if you focus on the opposite and that just help your mind to start finding proof of the actual things that you would desire in your life? Out of experience with more than 20 years of depression, I know that it's important to focus on the positive. And I'm not saying that you suppress the parts that aren't going well in your life or that you should fight it. Actually, the total opposite, because I believe and I've seen that everything you give energy, it will grow. So when I focus on the positive and I leave the negative feelings aside and I just leave them there, but every time it comes up, I choose to focus on the positive from a place of gratitude. So I'm grateful that I have enough money to do whatever it is that I want today. Or I feel good enough about myself and I'm ready to find proof of everything that is happening today to me that shows me that I'm good enough. And of course, these things sometimes have to come from within, but the mind doesn't understand the difference between reality and not. And you can say like, oh, you're fooling yourself. But who says I'm fooling myself? Maybe my mind is fooling myself by focusing on the negative and not fooling myself by focusing on the positive. The only thing is that my mind is conditioned and wired in a way to focus constantly on the negative. So if I do the opposite, what would happen? And I can tell you out of experience that if you start focusing on the positive and really from a place of gratitude, your mind starts to find proof of that. Then the more proof you receive of all these things that you desire in your life, your vibration will rise, and the more proof you will receive. And the more trust you will get, and the more proof you will receive. And this is an endless cycle. So the more energy you give towards the things that you desire in your life, the more you will get it. And I would say, let me know what it is that you do to get in this positive mindset and what helps you. What rituals do you do? What manifestations, whatever. Please share with me. I would love to hear what it is that helps you to get in a positive mindset. Sending you a lot of love and a big hug. Ciao!